Morning, Bridget. Yeah, man, we're right, you know. See, now I say now, morning, early. Hold on, Bridget. Soon call you back, yeah? Yo. Top of the morning, beloved. I just come up in my kitchen unannounced, man. You know what? It's all good. Seeing as how y'all here, you know what we gonna do. I was gonna make a little cereal, a little milk. You know what I mean? But seeing as how y'all here, you know what we gonna do? Make a little breakfast sandwich real quick, right? And we also gonna put this in the Who is Poppy Screw installments, because people always be like, oh, well, Poppy Screw, what does that mean? Where does it come from? Is it Poppy Screw? Is it Poppy's Crew? Nah, somebody. So seeing as how y'all here walking up in my kitchen unannounced early in the morning, yeah, I got y'all, man. So follow me to the kitchen. All right, catch y'all in a little bit. Yes, sir. So as we get into the origin of this name, right, very unique name. This name is actually older than me. My mom used to call my uncle, shout out to my uncle, by the way. She used to call him Poppy Screwball Head. You know what I mean? Way back in the trenches of West Kingston. You feel me? Because he had like a weird shaped head or whatever. Like, you know, Jamaicans, if you understand, you understand. Whatever you look like, that's what your nickname is, right? Or your pet name. You feel me? So I came along sometime later, and people with siblings, like, you understand this, like your parents will call everybody's name in the house, and none of them will be there to just be you. You know what I mean? Like, call you everybody, Patrick, Chuck, you boy, come here. Like, you know what I mean? So, like, them type of vibes. So my mom, you know, she started calling me Junior earlier on in life after my uncle, because it doesn't help that, you know, me and him born on the same day. Shout out to all my Virgos. You feel me? September side, you know the vibes. But she used to start calling me Junior, and then I didn't really too much like it, but I just said whatever. Then she started calling me Screw at one point in time, right? So I was like, I like that better than Junior, even though it's the same person's name, you feel me? So I just kept it, you know what I mean? And then fast forward to my adult years, I got on Instagram. My first name on Instagram was Coochie Man. That sounds kind of crazy, but that's what it was at the time. Instagram was brand new. And it was Coochie spelled like Gucci with a C. You know what I mean? But the next one, I was like, nah, that sounds kind of crazy. So I was like, I'm gonna just, you know, Poppy Screw, and that's what it was. It kind of stuck. You know what I mean? At one point in time, I was Instagram famous. You should see my ear quotes right now. You know what I mean? So a few people know me by that name, but if you know me in my personal life, you know me as something different. That's different times though, you feel me? So yeah, so that's pretty much how the name came about. And you know, it's pretty much it. I ain't got nothing much for y'all, man. You know what I mean? I just also want to tell y'all though, man, shout out to all my day one supporters. Shout out to the new followers as well. Thank y'all for helping me push my channel. You know what I mean? Y'all help me out a lot with your views, your likes, your shares, and subscriptions as well, man. So just always want to tell y'all, man, like, I really, really honestly appreciate y'all. Appreciate the help. Y'all pushing me, getting my platform bigger and bigger by the day. Pause. I don't know if there's a pause needed, but I threw one in there, you feel me? But yeah, so thank y'all, man, for the love, the support. Appreciate each and every last single one of y'all, man. So until the next time, y'all be safe out there. Bless.